One night, a dragon broke into our house, finding you in the cradle. I rushed to protect you. But what I saw was proof of everything I believed. This wasn't a vicious beast, but an intelligent, gentle creature whose soul reflected my own.
Orca, run!
No, don't!
Hold on!
No! Stoic!
Orca!
Stoic! Orca. You and your father nearly died that night. All because I couldn't kill a dragon.
It runs in the family.
Just let me go, me against you. Now wait for me. Please hang around.
Remember me?
Don't listen to a word I say. My screams all sound the same.
This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. Lead them to the hidden world.
Hey, I thought we were going to eat.
Oh, we are!
Then from Dragon Island, I found this archipelago.
Oh, when I'm up here, I don't even feel the cold. I just feel
Free.
this is what it is to be a dragon, Hiccup.
It's all well and good to call yourself a dragon, but can you fly? Woohoo! Man, almost! We just about had it that time. Ah.
Incredible.
Well, not bad yourself.
All this time you took after me.
And where was I? I'm so sorry, Hiccup. Can we start over? Will you give me another chance? I can teach you all that I've learned these past 20 years. Like... Now you can make those tight turns.
Did you know about this?
Every dragon has its secrets, and I'll show them all to you. We'll unlock every mystery, find every last species together as mother and son. This gift we share, Hiccup, it bonds us. This is who you are, son. Who we are. We will change the world for all dragons. We will make it a better, safer place.
Yeah, I mean, that sounds amazing. Oh, this is so great! Now you and I can go talk to Drago together.
What? Oh, there's no talking to Drago.
But we have to.
No, we must protect our own. Come on, we should be getting back.
Hmm?